Andrew's surname meaning in history presented by coadb.com. Surname meaning: it is a patronymic surname of English and Scottish origin meaning the son of Andrew, from the vernacular English form of the Greek personal name Andreas, meaning manly, which was the name of one of the disciples of Jesus. Early bearers included Nicholas, son of Andree in County Shropshire in 1273, John Andree in Cambridgeshire in 1273, Henry, the son of Andrew in Oxfordshire in 1273, and Moricius Andrews of Worcestershire in 1275. Knighthoods included Sir Thomas Andrews in 1553, Sir Eusebius Andrews of Northampton in 1603, John Andrews of Gloucester in 1608, William Andrews of Buckinghamshire in 1619, Thomas Andrews, alderman and mayor of London in 1657, Sir Matthew Andrews of Walton-upon-Thames in 1675, Sir Jonathan Andrews of London, an East India merchant, knighted in 1699, and Major Sir Henry Andrews was knighted in 1837. Noble titles held included the Andrews Baronetcy of Denton in the County of Northampton, created in the Baronetage of England in 1641 for Sir William Andrews. The title became extinct on the death of the 5th Baronet in 1804. Here we see the family estate of Charlwelton Manor House, as well as Winwick Manor, as well as Harleston House, and lastly, Puddington Norton Hall. The Andrews Baronetcy of Lathbury in the County of Buckingham was created in the Baronetage of England in 1661 for Sir Henry Andrews. And here we see Lathbury, the family estate. The Andrews Baronetcy of Shaw Place in the County of Berkshire was created in the Baronetage of Great Britain in 1766 for Sir Joseph Andrews. The title became extinct on the death of the 2nd Baronet in 1822, and here we see Shaw Place. Andrews of Rathhenny in Kings County, Ireland. We see Monsell Andrews, John Andrews, and another Monsell Andrews, members of this family. Andrews of Ardara from Comer in County Down. And another one of the family homes. And members of the family, John Andrews. 3 different John Andrews, it looks like. Notables include Lancelot Andrews, an English bishop and scholar who held high positions in the Church of England during the reigns of Queen Elizabeth I and King James I. Maddie Andrews, born 1893, an English actress and singer whose career spanned 6 decades. Edward Andrews, a minister of Beresford Chapel in Walworth. Miles Peter Andrews, born 1742, a dramatist, gunpowder manufacturer, and politician. Robert Andrews, born 1725, member of the landed gentry who owned almost 3,000 acres of land. Henry Andrews, born 1744, was an accomplished mathematician and astronomer. James Andrews, born 1737, was an English historian and antiquary. And Christopher Columbus Andrews, born 1829, was an American soldier, diplomat, newspaperman, author, and forester. Early settlers included John Andrews, who came to Virginia in 1609, William Andrews, who came to Virginia in 1616, another William Andrews, who came in 1623, and Joachim Andrews, who came to Virginia in 1623. And if you enjoyed this video, please visit us at coadb.com, where we offer genealogy research. Link in the description. Thank you very much.